Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to fix device limit reached in Amazon Prime. So if this happens to you in Amazon Prime, the first thing that you need to do is to try to removing the devices from the MYCD page. I can't actually open this page, so this page is the manage your content and devices page. So from here you can remove all the devices that you want, so you can choose the device that you have logged in from your Amazon account and remove it. After that you can try to log in with another device with the same account, and that will surely fix your issue. Also, after that you can try signing out of Prime Video app and sign in back again. You can try to restart the streaming device. Also, you can try to update the Prime Video app and streaming device to the latest software and firmware version. If the issue still persists, please try uninstall the Prime Video app and install it again. So, these fixes will surely help you, but the most common fix that will actually fix this issue is to log into your account from anywhere and then go to your manage your account and devices. After that, you can just go to that device that you want to remove and click on remove, and after that you can add the device to any other place you like. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.